Hi everyone, this is Harshdeep and I am the founder and CEO of Legitt AI. So today in this video, we'll go through step by step the process where you can upload and sign a document. So this is something that we have seen with our customers, where majority of them, whether they are using all the functionalities of Legitt AI or not, are definitely using Legitt AI for uploading and signing the documents. So this is the video focused on a document which is already created or sent to you by some other external stakeholder. You upload it and sign it. Let's start with the process. So if you see on the my work page, which we already know, once you log in you land onto the my work page. So once you log in, you come to my work page, where majority of the actions that you want to execute, you can directly launch from this page. So this is the upload and sign functionality. Okay, so once you click here, you select the file or drag and drop the file that you want to sign. So let me just upload a file. So you upload one file, you can add multiple here if you want to sign bulk documents, and then click on add signatories. So next step is to add the signatories. Click here. What it does is it gives you a pop-up where you can add signatories. So what I have done in my case is I have by default added my name as a signatory. If this person is not the signatory, you can delete it from this icon. If there are multiple people who want to sign this document, you can add them. For now, what I'll do is I'll take the case of multiple people along with the workflow functionality. But I have been already added to this this document as a signatory. So I'll just click on continue. What it does is it shows me that okay, now you have to drag and drop this element onto the document. So let me this is a dummy document created with dummy information with different names, but when you create your own document, it will have your name, your counterparty's name. So you can place this signatory box wherever you want to place. Okay, so if you want to have initials also somewhere, say on this page I want initials, you can place it. You want to have the date and the stamp uploaded, you can do that. And on top of it there are additional blocks. Say I want to have some text here to be filled in, because right now I cannot edit this document. Or if I want a multi-line text, I want to write a para or a paragraph or a detailed note, I can do that. I want to put in an attachment also, that okay, this is the signed document, but this is the supporting document which you might want to read. I can do that. For now, let's just focus on signatures. Let me delete this also, and the initials. Okay, once you have added these, click on finish and sign. It gives you the prompt to you can type your name. Okay, by default what it does is it picks up your first name and last name with which you have created the account, or you can draw. I can draw my signatures here. I can type, I can upload an image. So if there is an image of my signatures available, I can upload that. And if I have saved signatures on this platform, I can pick and choose those. Okay, so if you are new to the platform, you will not have the saved signatures. You can type or you can draw. It will tell you, give you the prompt here that okay, if you check this box, it will save these signatures for future use. I'll just pick up this particular font. If I want to save it for future, I can click here and sign. Okay, then I click on finish and sign. There are initials also left. Okay, I click here and then finish and sign. Okay, Now, this copy of the document has been signed. If I want to download it, I can download it. If I want to see the history when it was uploaded with proper date and timestamp, it will show you here when the document was finished, when it was signed, exact sequence of events. So I can upload it, say maybe today, sign it tomorrow. It will capture all those details accordingly. If there are any versions that were prepared, multiple versions of the document, and I'll create a separate video on how do we manage versions when we create a document and then sign it. But if there are multiple versions, it will show you here, and in the history it will show you all these details. Okay, if I want to go and check the signature certificate, I can click here, I can download the signature certificate. It creates a unique ID for each signature that's been done. So now if I quickly refresh it or come back, whenever I have to come back to this document, it'll have this unique ID on each page. I can see that this document has been signed, and this is the document or the signature ID which concatenates the details of this document, the personal details of the person who has signed it, the login credentials, the IP of the machine, and the date and time stamp. So this is very, very unique for each document that you sign on Legitt, and if required, it can be used in the court of law to prove that this document has been signed by you or the person or the second party that you had sent this document to sign. So this is the complete process where you upload a document and sign it. Thank you.